If you just bought a JSYES smartwatch and it's not connecting to your phone, here's the exact way to pair it with both iPhone and Android. First, fully charge the watch and turn it on. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, but do not try to pair the watch directly inside your phone's Bluetooth settings yet. Next, download the companion app listed in the watch manual or shown on the watch screen. Most JSYES watches use apps like FitPro, DaFit, or GloryFit. Install the app from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Open the app and allow all permissions, especially Bluetooth, notifications, and background activity. These permissions are required for calls, texts, and health tracking to work correctly. Inside the app, tap Add Device or Pair Device. The app will scan for nearby watches. Select your JSYES watch from the list and confirm the pairing request on both the watch and your phone. Once paired, the watch may ask for a second Bluetooth connection for calls and audio. If prompted, approve it so calling features work properly. If pairing fails, restart both the watch and your phone, then try again inside the app. Also make sure the watch is not already paired to another phone. Quick recap: charge the watch, install the correct app, enable permissions, pair inside the app, not Bluetooth settings, and confirm the connection. Like and subscribe if I helped you.